The press service of UAC announced, in addition to the fifth-generation fighter aircraft, the company also delivered a batch of the Su-35s for the Russian Aerospace Forces. KNAAZ manufactured and transferred to the Russian Defense Ministry another batch of serial fifth-generation Su-57 aircraft as part of the supply program of this year, UAC said. Yuri Slyusar, the corporation's general director, stated that the aircraft plant had fulfilled the current year's production schedule for the Su-57 and multipurpose Su-35 fighters for the Russian Aerospace Forces. The Su-57 started receiving serial deliveries in 2022. By the end of 2024, the Russian Defense Ministry would acquire 22 fighters. By 2028, their force strength would increase to 76. Meanwhile, Rostec CEO, Sergey Chemezov, said that the Komsomolsk-on-Amur aviation facility would be modernized to expand the production of fifth-generation Su-57 fighters. The press service said that KNAAZ is now undertaking a massive modernization project that will significantly expand the output of these combat vehicles.